Motovicity's The Speed Ring 2018, a time attack and Touge style bracket competition with a lot of money on the line. The fastest time attack machines in North America go head to head at the M1 concourse. A tight and technical track, there's no room for error as the stakes are high. $35,000 in bragging rights means no holding back. Time Attack News visited the Metro Detroit area to bring you the latest.
Giving you guys a little bit of a recap from day one at Speed Ring. Day one today was okay for us. We had a couple of issues. We had some issues with our throttle hanging, which had a really scary situation for me on track on the back straight. Throttle hung open, you know, at the top of fourth gear, and it made it very difficult to make it into the braking zone. But we did manage to get that fixed. Luckily, the guys at Motovicity had a Skunk 2 throttle body in stock for us, and brought it right over in 15 minutes, and we got that changed out, and then the car was fantastic. Went out for final session, broke our previous front-wheel drive record by 4/10. We were the fastest front-wheel drive car of the day, and we think we definitely have more in it for tomorrow for the bracket battles.
Day one at the Speed Ring is full-on time attack. Serving as qualifiers to the next day's Touge bracket battle, teams were divided into street modified, track modified, and unlimited. Seeing as the classes weren't divided by different drivetrains, upsets were bound to happen on the newly built Michigan track. The best overall time of the weekend still matters, with the fastest lap winner dubbed Ultimate Badass taking home 10 grand with or without a bracket podium finish. We caught up with returning Speed Ring champs Richard Boak and the Can Jam Motorsports team from Canada to see how their day was going.
My name's Richard Boak, driver of the number 6 Can Jam Subaru STI. We're here at the Speed Ring presented by Motovicity here at M1 Concourse. We just finished qualifying day. We are currently sitting P1 with a time of 1:02.3, which is the track record right now. We beat our time from last year by over a second. So the day's done. We're just getting ready for Touge battle tomorrow.
Hey guys, Jacketing here, driving the 2007 Honda S2000. We're here at the Speed Ring 2018 doing time attack. So far, not too bad. Doing 1:13.6 and around 6th place in street mod overall. Goals for the weekend was really just to have fun. It's not a traditional time attack, like a racetrack per se, because usually you have long straights and a lot of fast corners. Here it's really tight and twisty, so it favors a little more like cars like mine, maybe less horsepower. A lot of guys with a lot more horsepower don't dare to drive it as quick as as edgy as mine, because they can make it up on the straight, whereas I can push it a little closer to the limit, and make some time up through the twisties.
Now, receiving word from Jackie Ding that he is out of fuel, so he needs fuel. I'll leave that up to Time Attack Director Abe Slugger to make a call on what your options are, Jackie. Jackie, though, looks like you got a little bit of a dirt out there coming through 9, but I really can tell you pushed the braking zone down here into 1. I feel like that's where you picked up most of your time. What do you think?
I'm getting some fuel cut out of turn 4, so as the back straight I'd be 6,000 RPM, drop to 5, and then I have to go all the way back up. I'm losing about half a second right there. That's pretty much all
Where's the Jackie Ding over here? You got your fingers crossed, man. I mean, did you think you had it?
Darby did an awesome job. She put a lot of time on me in the first run. I ran a 14.5 the first one, and she was a 14.5 or 14.4. So she closed at least half a second in the first session of the morning. That's props to her. She did a great job.
S2000s are quite popular in the street modified bracket and is a common time attack weapon of choice. The battle for third place saw Dan Lewis in his supercharged S2 go head to head with Eric Dewey in the number 70 Subaru. It took a one more time battle to settle things, with Dan Lewis taking home that third place spot. The final saw Mitsubishi versus Subaru showdown. Sean Presback, the number 23 Evo, went at it with Tom O'Gorman, the number 8 STI, for the street modified first place podium.
Really thank you for the opportunity to come and do this. I saw it last year, it looked like a ton of fun, so happy to be in it now.
Jeremy Swinson running the fastest lap time to run for this track modified class. Wow. Beating out Mike Puglisi in that DMN Racing Mitsubishi Evo. Mike Puglisi unfortunately getting eliminated by Jeremy Swinson there. Still looking real good out there, just wasn't quite enough for that rolling speed of that Corvette.
Yeah, Jeremy and me, we went out Midwest and he was looking for redemption and he got it. Did an awesome job and we have a good time. I mean, the fun out here is actually being out on the track with the buddies.
The crew ends up getting in the way, and unfortunately your weekend is done. But did you have fun here at Speedring? I had an absolute blast. We'll definitely be back next year.
Willow Young gets it with a 109.235, besting Jason Harding's 109.599. So Willow Young will advance on, making quick work. Unfortunately, Harding loses just 0.05 of a second. Well done there by Chris Borsma. Very fast in that front-wheel drive into Honda Civic, taking out Kenneth Smith in that Corvette.
Joining the ranks of Willow Young with another upset. Front-wheel drive cars beating out rear-wheel drive Corvettes. How's it feel?
It feels amazing. I mean, we had some trouble when we were here last year to get into the 109s. It's blows my mind. I think we're going to have to pick up some pace to compete against some of the other cars out there, but I'm really excited. It was awesome. He tried to run away from me, and I really had to get on it on that follow lap, so it was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed it.
Jeremy Swinson with a 109.196. Jeremy Swinson moving on to the finals to do battle against Willow Young. A battle. And Chris Borsma for that third place.
I think it's been a little. Over to you, Austin and Derek.
Alright, Derek Boyd. Very nice performance, beating out Van Little. They're going to be going up against Richard Vogt next. So awesome. So it should be interesting, but hey, we saw Richard Vogt throw it away last year, getting a little overzealous. Anything can happen, man. Yeah, what do you think of this bracket battle format? It's a little bit different because you have to make sure you put it in your head. But you also have to make sure you're going fast enough to be able to move on to the next round. Not fast enough to go around.
Exactly. Ignoring the mirrors, I think, is critical.
Don't look at the mirrors.
Alright, so I don't know if you know what happened here, but both pulled off course early, and that's essentially 4 off, so you're going to the finals, man.
Been a wiser choice to bring it in than to blow the motor. Unfortunately, though, that means he will not move on to the finals.
And boy, you're going to the finals, man. Potentially $10,000 richer, you're going to get time in the finals.
Hi, I'm James Houghton, and I drive the K-Tuned Integra Type R in unlimited front-wheel drive. We got here yesterday and had basically no sleep on Friday night. Unloaded the car, got the front bumper and splitter and everything like that on, and headed out on the track, and we beat our personal best by quite a few tenths compared to last year after running, for 2 full days last year. So the improvements that we made to the car lately are definitely working.
Big payday today for James Houghton, your overall unlimited class winner here at Speedring 2018.
It was an amazing event. You know, we really didn't expect to have a chance at getting the overall. We were just here, you know, trying to do whatever we could. It's not really a track that favors a front-wheel drive car, and you know, sometimes these crazy unlimited class cars have issues. And it turns out, you know, as sad as it is, the Can Jam had an issue today, and that allowed us to get to the finals and to be able to win the unlimited bracket today. It was just amazing.
That's it for the 2018 Speed Ring. Motovicity will be bringing it back this year in September. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Time Attack news.